Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we are going to see Screen Copy. That's the application that they have built where you could just project your Android phone or your tablet onto your system directly. So here is the GitHub repository. I will link that in the description as well. So basically, it is pronounced screen copy, and they use like via USB you can do it, and via like wireless network connected on the same Wi-Fi. So here you just need an Android device that has like above Android 5 if you want, but for audio forwarding and all those things you could use like Android 11 plus. Okay, so the application works on all the three basically operating system. Like you could go to this Windows, C for like 64-bit or 32-bit, whatever you want, and then just install it. And you could run it directly screen CPY, and you would be able to have that on your system. So for now, I would be covering the Ubuntu or the Linux based system. So here you could see that they have already provided a bunch of like if you are having on a different distro, then you could use all those commands. So we are just going to build it from scratch or from the GitHub repo. So we are going to install this. So first of all, you need to go to the terminal and we are just going to install the required packages. So just control V and we can remove the command like for Debian or Ubuntu. So if you have any other operating system, you could try that. I'm on the Pop OS that is based on Ubuntu. So now you just need to provide the root password and download the remaining things. So I will be fast forwarding for the installation of the packages, required packages, and then we'll be back. So once that all those packages are installed, what we need to do is we need to copy the repository and just run the shell script. So we'll go to the folder, the required folder where we want to put our application. So once your terminal is open, you should already have Git installed on your system. Then we just need to clone the repository, git clone, and the name of the repository, and then it will just install the whole repo on your system. Once that's done, we need to go to that particular folder of screen copy, and then we just need to run this shell script that is install release.sh. So you could see that in the folder you would find all this install release.sh shell script, and we have to just execute that. So you could see if it has the executable permissions for you or not. Okay, so once that's done, so it will take some time, compile, install on your system like that you could use directly from the terminal. So once that's done, then you don't need to do anything else. There are installation commands as well if you want to do that. Then you could just directly connect your mobile phone or your tablet and run SCRCPY. You should have a pop-up on your screen for the authorization. So once that's there, you just click on authorize and you could try it again. So now you could see that the device has popped, and you could directly control your screen from this PC. So let me move it to the right side. So you could access all the applications remotely. You could go to the settings, check everything. So if you so there is one more mode where you could just like without when the screen is locked, you could directly use your mobile phone on the system. So here you can see there is this command SCRCPY minus turn off screen. So you could use that or just minus capital S. So here you can see. So once you enter that, your screen will be locked and you would be able to just use the screen on the system or on your computer directly. So in the info section, you could see that screen is turned off and you could directly use it. Okay, that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. See you guys in another video.